Manus AI is adding multiple different features recently. Last week they added one additional feature using which you will be able to visualize your data using Manus. Let me show you what am I talking about. Currently I'm in Google homepage, and if I go to Manus application, there you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Now if you're first time using Manus, then you can use your Google credentials to log in. I'll add one link in the description below. If you click on that particular link, you will be getting 500 additional credits. One very good thing they have introduced, that is visualization. If I click on it, then you will be able to see you are getting an option that what you want to generate. Is it only graph or slides? So it will generate PowerPoint slides. You want to build a web page, spreadsheet, report, everything you will be able to do. Now let me generate one presentation using this feature. Here you will be able to see one option, that is visualization. Once I click on that, there are multiple different options. First of all, I can generate graphs, I can generate PowerPoint slides, web page, spreadsheet, report, everything. And once this is selected, then I'll be able to choose multiple different chart type which I want to use. So what I'll do, let me click on slides, and then if I select some of the chart type, maybe bar, line, pie, or maybe scattered, or maybe stacked bar. So these are the 5 things I'll be able to select. So that's the maximum limit. So once this is done, then you will be able to bring your data here, and now it's all set. I just need to type my prompt. Please analyze this data set and give me insight. Now this is the only thing you need to do, and after that you need to click on this particular button. Now let me do one thing. I'll not click on this button because I already analyzed this data and I already created some of the output using this particular method so that I can show you in this video. Normally what happens whenever we use Manus AI, it normally takes little bit more time than other LLM tools because this is a generalistic AI agent tool. It's not a generative AI related LLM tool, right? Normally ChatGPT, Claude, Google Gemini, those takes a very less time, right? It creates your PowerPoint presentation within 1 or 2 minutes, but here it takes time. So I don't want to waste that time here. And second thing, this will cost me some of the credits. I already utilized some of the credits and I generated the content. So let me show you that thing. So these are the things I selected and then I generated the content. So if I come back here, you can see this is the one I generated today only. If I click here, then you will be able to see this is the data it generated. What it did, I added that particular Excel here. On that time, that file name was book1. Now I renamed it, and then I mentioned the same thing, and then it generated this entire content. So let me very quickly download this presentation, maybe this time as PDF, so that I will be able to see that what it generated, and then I will show you another very good option what it did. If I double click, then you will be able to see this is the presentation it generated. It's not a very flashy one, but as a starter, in case you want to work on certain data and you are looking for a starting point, you can utilize this structure and on top of it, you can build on it, right? So this is the way it generated. But the good part is, if I show you here, after it generated the entire content, it asked me that you want me to publish it as a website. It gave me that. And then once I clicked on yes, then it generated this particular link. If I click here, now here you will be able to see how it looks like. If I go to the next one, you can see it added certain animations also. So this is the way you can use. And this particular chart is a dynamic chart. If you mouse over, you will be able to see all those values. So in case you have liberty to use web page where during your presentation, you will be able to use in this way. If I go next, then you can see certain animations are there. These were not visible in our PowerPoint presentation when we downloaded, right? But this is the way it generated. This has some lag also. I would say this page was blank, but other pages it was done properly. So this is the way, if you have any data set, you will be able to generate charts, graphs, and other things using this particular tool. Check out this tool, utilize those additional free credits, whatever you are going to get, and there try to play with these options and you will be able to understand it more. Let me know your views. Will it be useful, not useful? If you want to know more about how can you use ChatGPT to analyze your Excel or CSV based data, then check out this video where I covered all those points in detail.